Hi, my name is Frank Mann. I'm a co-founder at SparkLabs Global. It's my pleasure here today to introduce you to Cato. So I have a long background in artificial intelligence. I was on the board of Siri, which was a company before it got bought by Apple, and also sourced DeepMind for my previous employer, Horizons. So, and of course DeepMind you'll know as AlphaGo here. When it became, the Go champion of Korea. So we'd like to introduce you to Cato. So Cato is very, very interesting. They are applying AI to what is a very, very difficult area, which is applying it to teaching children how to learn English and Chinese, but using AI. And AI with kids is very different from AI to adults. So they're solving a very big problem, which is incredibly interesting. So you have so many AI companies in the world which are focused on AI for adults, but that is very different to AI for children. And so for you of those who are investors and in companies in the audience here, this is a company that's incredibly interesting because there's not many doing this at all. Thank you.
Give it to me, I'm worth it. Baby, I'm worth it. I'm worth it. Give it to me.
Hello, I'm Dhonam, co-founder of Cato. We are an AI-based language teaching company. Before I start, I'd like to show you a video and introduce you to Bella.
How are you? My name is Eli. What's your name?
My name is Mel. 你好，我叫芳芳，你叫什么？我叫贝拉。好的。
السؤال الأول على أي كوكب أنت تعيشين؟
أنا أعيش على كوكب الأرض. Buscando mi regalo.
Bien, mi regalo. Ach so. Willst du, dass ich dir helfe?
Ja.
Pretty amazing, huh? This is possible because every child is born with the ability to learn any language. However, during the early years of life, their brain hardwires to the native language and the ability to learn other languages declines. Parents understand this. They spend enormous amounts of money on language learning, from tutoring to online programs to learning centers. In Korea, almost 10 million won is spent by an average user parent per year. But for language learning to be effective, it needs to be adaptive and personalized. We do this through AI customization. It also needs to be constant and immersive. This is achieved through apps and toys. How do we build such products? Well, we have an amazing team. Both my co-founder and myself have PhDs in biomedical engineering. Personally, I worked for NASA before this. We have 12 engineers, 4 AI scientists from Stanford, MIT, USC, and the University of Illinois. In addition to our core team, for our advisor, we have some of the world's most famous scientists, neuroscientists, linguists, and educators. Together with our knowledge and the advice from our advisors, we built our AI engine. This mimics the human brain, and we implemented 5 core features. The first application of our AI engine is Mochu, the language teacher. And I'll show you a little demo.
그리고 나서 자신의 이름을 말해 주세요.
我的名字叫김현재.
잘했어요. 하지만 뒤에 이름 말하는 것을 잊지 마세요. 다시 해보세요. 我的名字叫
我的名字叫김현재. 你好.
누르고. 你好.
你好.
我的名字叫
我的名字叫我的名字叫做李涵。
I want to point out that in this video, Mochu's speaking Korean and teaching Chinese. However, Mochu can teach any language. One teacher, one Mochu, all languages. We received our seed investment from SparkLabs, and now we have offices in the US, China, as well as Korea. We started off as a game company going to B2C. We had tremendous success with our educational games. Leveraging its success, we decided to take our engine and go to B2B. In the US, this year alone, we have 200,000 revenue and 300,000 users. In China, we partner with major hardware companies and universities like Tsinghua and have over 600,000 users and 300,000 in revenue. In Korea, in addition to being part of SparkLabs 9th batch, we also top 10 in the K-Startup Grand Challenge, also part of Seoul Global Startup Center. So today I want to make an important announcement. We formed a strategic partnership with Smart Study during our acceleration program here with SparkLabs. They are the makers of the #1 children's app in Asia. They have 2.3 billion views on YouTube, 150 million downloads. We're very excited to be powering Ping Pong with our Mochu AI speech engine. We often use the term communication is key between people and companies. We hope that our AI engine will be the key to all communication. And thank you.
Okay, I tell her bring it back like she loves something.